Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our distinguished guests, our dear principal, sir, our beloved brilliant teachers, our proud and supportive parents, my dearest fellow graduates, Assalamu alaikum and a pleasant day to all. Let me begin by expressing my deepest thanks and praises to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whose grace and compassion is beyond imagination. Without His love and blessing, I wouldn't be here today. As I stand here at this moment, my heart is filled with mixed emotions. I feel happy because we have finally reached this milestone. But at one point, I also feel sad because we are about to leave behind a place that we once called second home. I remember 5 years ago when I first entered my grade 2 classroom, my heart was filled with fear that I might not have any friends. But my teachers and classmates showed what genuine friendship means. Now, I'm proud that I did not only gain ample knowledge here, I also collected genuine friends and loving teachers whom I call my second parents. To our dear teachers here in Chassis East Elementary School, please accept my heartfelt thank you. Thank you for guiding us, protecting us, molding us, and believing in us. To our parents who become our greatest fans, thank you for being our inspiration. Thank you for the endless love and support that became our fortress in facing the challenges. We owe our life to you, and I dedicate this achievement to you. To my dear classmates and schoolmates, it hurts to think that tomorrow will no longer be the same. We will go separate ways, meet new people, and face new challenges. But let us always remember the lessons we learn in these hallways, in these classrooms, in every corner of this school. Let us move forward and lead with pride and honor, carrying the lessons we learn here in our beloved alma mater. In every challenge that we will face, let us choose courage over fear. Inshallah, we shall make it to the finish line. Congratulations to all of us, and may Allah bless us all. Wa ba'du wassalam.